Page 24, Good King Wenceslas. 4/4 time. It's got one flat in the key signature. We're in the key of F major. All the B's are going to be flatted. Start out with the right hand. Actually, I want to kind of take both hands together here. In the right hand, you're starting here. And the left hand, you have these notes here, so you're in this position. Middle C position, sort of, except there's a B flat. So it's here. Make sure you play a rest in the left hand there on the last beat. Up. Now it's a whole note. Don't forget the B flat. And you're going to repeat that. See the repeat sign? So you play the first line twice, but let's go on. Second line. Now it's the left hand. Then the right hand gets the melody. This is all slurred, so connect it. At the end of the second measure you have here, connect it to the D. Connect, don't lift up there or anything. It's always sound here. And the last line, look out. You got to cross under. It's like you're going to do a C major scale. It's here. Left hand, just bring the thumb up. And watch out in the rhythm here. They threw you curve. They do that sometimes. The last two measures. The right hand has half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. The left hand has a dotted half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're come up on 4. So you're here, and then play the B flat. Both hands are still down, and then the left hand comes up, and for one beat, the right hand's by itself on the B flat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you come up. Don't know why they did that, but they did. They're showing pedal at the end. If you want to use pedal, you go ahead, just push it down after the notes and lift it up with the notes. I'm not going to use pedal. I disagree with using pedal at the end of a piece like this. If you're not going to use the pedal anywhere else, I see no point in using it there. And that's the piece. Dynamic wise, they don't give you much of louds and softs. You decide how you want to do it eventually. Just bring out the melody. That's what's important. So let's play it together very slowly to make sure we have the notes and the rhythms. And I am going to repeat the first line because there's a repeat sign there. So I'll give us 4 counts. So go ahead and put your hands here, sort of in a middle C position. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. Repeat. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off.